This sort of legend, now housed in close proximity to the sea ward of the Okomfo Anokye Teaching Hospital at Baantoma Kumase, has an origin cast in doubt. Echoing parallels to arturian legend, the Excalibur or sword in the stone, this sort of mystery remains anything but strange in origin. All there is to the popular folk tale is that the great Okomfo Anokye magically stuck it in the ground where it now rests, but it leaves no clue as to where the Obiri Komfo brought or got it from. Whereas of his many feats of gain, fame, and name, he supposedly conjured the unity throne or stool of the Asante kingdom from thick clouds in the sky in open display. There is an almost forgotten legend old people used to tell that during the inception of the oldest Akan state of Adanse Ekrochere, in the time of Nana Ɔkae Bɔadeɛ, an angelic or demonic figure, some say a Sasabonsam, appeared to Nana Ɔkae Bɔadeɛ and presented to him a sword or Afona, which was named Afona Kwao and bore the appellation Okunjiabo, a magical defender sword that creates a sort of bulletproof field for its handler in warring mode. Oracle foretold the coming fall of the Adanse Ekrochere state, and when it ensued, this mysterious sword would disappear, and where it shall be found was to be the site of the imperial city after the union of the Akan kingdoms.